Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 18th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir is just dropping like a rock, so we are down 99 cents. That's 4.4%, closed at 21.50. Post-market, we are up 1 cent. Basically, we have a big red candle, a little bit of a buying pressure towards the end of the day. Nothing to write home to your mom about. So basically, we are heading down to $21. We are heading down to $21. And then if that does not hold, then there's always 17.90 and 17.13. But I hope we just bounce on 21 because we have been bouncing on 21 for so long. Let's bounce on 21 and then go back to 29.60. So that would be the best thing that the stock could do. Let's go see the 1 hour charts. Okay, so the damage was done during the first hour. So we started just a little bit above 22.49, which was the support that we had in mind. And we broke that support. So we were going down. So we went down almost $1. That's a big move. Then pulled back a little bit on the second hour. Then the third hour tried to go higher, but were squished down. And then fourth, fifth hour going down, then recovered just barely a little bit. And the indicators, on stochastic at 7, RSI at 28. So RSI is oversold. But as we learn with Tesla, when something is oversold or overbought, becomes oversold or overbought, it does not mean that we need to buy it because it can remain that way for some time. MACD bearish, DMI bearish. Going back to the daily chart, stochastic at 2, RSI close to being oversold. MACD bearish, DMI bearish. So nothing else, nothing interesting to say with this stock. Let's just watch it drop and let's see where it starts to recover. Is it going to be 21? Is it going to be 17.90? Tell me in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member just because you like what I do. That's it. End of story. It's $5 a month. Story. As a bonus, I stream a video on Sunday, and that's just a bonus. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.